So I'm gonna teach you guys how to make it so that there's sound on your TV, because some people have problems with this. And I had a problem with this for like a year. And I just can't hear from the TV because I don't want to wear my headset every day. You can't hear it from the TV. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to fix it. So first, you go to General, and you go to TV and Display Options. Then you go under Advanced and go to the middle one, or one that says that Video Fidelity, I don't know, and Overscan one. And then after, if yours says override and then under it says HDMI, then this won't work. But if it says DVI, press that and press HDMI. And then once you do it, it might do this, might do that, but you could just fix it and you could hear it. But just go to resolution and go to 1080. And then press yes. And then it works. So now you could hear from your TV.